In this video, we'll give an introduction to the different types of intellectual property. This video is not a guide to intellectual property. If you have any concerns about IP, you must seek professional advice from an intellectual property advisor. Intellectual property describes ownership over certain intellectual creations. Intellectual property is important because it can help you establish ownership of different elements of your solution and your business. It can also help you control who can exploit your technology or your brand. Intellectual property is one way, but by no means the only way, of building a sustainable competitive advantage in the market that others cannot easily replicate. It can act as an easy deterrent to competitors, and it can also add value to your business, especially when seeking external investment. These are just some of the ways that you can protect your intellectual creations. Patents. These help to protect inventions. Registered designs. This is about the appearance of a product, including software interfaces. Trademarks. These can be logos or words. Copyright. This helps to protect written materials and drawings, etc. Design right. This is all about the appearance of an object. Ideas and concepts themselves cannot be owned or protected as such. These can only be protected if they are embodied into one of the preceding spheres of intellectual properties. If you have secured any of these for your solution, remember to include them in your application form, but it's not essential to have secured IP to enter the Copernicus Masters competition. Try to avoid public or non-confidential disclosures of your ideas before you have secured IP. For example, the evaluators in the Copernicus Masters competition are all required to sign non-disclosure agreements, so they're not allowed to discuss your ideas or share your ideas externally. Remember, if you have any queries about potential intellectual property in your idea, please seek professional advice.